What's up guys, welcome to East West Beats, and today I wanted to walk you guys through Don't Call Me Up. It's a song that's been on my playlist. It's a very catchy song. It's a simple song, simple production, amazing songwriting, so I wanted to walk you guys through it. As you can see, I only have about 27 tracks, probably a little less. One of them is just a sub bass that I muted. So let's get to it. I'm going to play it, and then I'm going to single out some instruments, show you some of the processing that I did. And yeah, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and let me know if you guys have any questions in the comment box. We also have a community on Facebook where we interact with each other, so if you want to join that, feel free to click the link in the description as well. All right, let's go. So that's a simple piano from Nexus. Alright, so let's walk through some elements right here. So as you can see, this is the intro part. Again, these are not your regular plugs. Let me just play this plug. Now this is not exact production. I changed up the chords and changed up the production a little bit, but it's a very similar style. I just didn't want to copy it, so I can use this for something else as well. Again, I have another layer. Again, this is from Dune 3, amazing plugin if you guys want to buy it. Again, another Nexus. Alright, so those three plugs sound like this when they're played together. You can see that each one of them adds something to the plug when you add it with the keys. So that's the intro, and then you go into this Logic kit. Now, this is basically a drum machine with my own processing. So this adds a little bit of a groove to it. And then you have a Cashmere riser and then a Cashmere filler with some reverb. Right? So now these elements don't really change. What does come in here is this saw wave. It's not a saw, it's a keys. A sub bass with side chain. I use LFO tool. And then what I did was I added a muted guitar on the right and the left to widen it up. Another super cool trick is they're basically the same thing, but they play a little differently. So what you do in order to hard pan it left and right and make it sound wider is you select it, you go to function, MIDI transform, and you humanize it. Now what this does is once you hit select and operate, it basically moves the notes around a little bit so they sound a bit different. So they sound different in right and left and gives you a stereo effect. And then there's a processed Cashmere kick. I pitched it to the song that I was working on, the key of it. And then again, a slightly different pattern with, again, it's just a little bit of processing, a little bit of compression, a little bit of warmth. Again, you have this snare kind of a sound with reverb, clap, shaker. So that's your drum groove, and then you have effects and shakers coming in. This is just a Logic loop that I used. Right? Once that comes in, you drop some of the instruments, and then you have a pad from Omnisphere that comes in, adds a bit of air to it, kind of, you know, mellows the song down a little bit before the kick comes in. Keep going with it. Again, the fillers. And then here, I added a bit of a break. You have a hook. And then for this bridge, I added an organ to kind of make it sound a bit different, a bit deeper. break. Final hook. Alright guys, so that is a very similar production to Don't Call Me Up. Listen to the song. It's a very, very good song, very catchy song. If you guys have any questions, leave it in the comments and make sure you subscribe. And if you like it, share it and leave a comment. Talk to you guys soon.